A lot of coaches struggle with finding their niche, yeah? If you're a PT trying to go online, you've probably been told about, oh, you need to niche down. I don't want you to overcomplicate it, man. Because some of us, we're just overcomplicating it. Like, oh, I can work with everyone, I can help everyone. Yes, you probably could help everyone. But one of my coaches, like someone who was coaching me, he used to say to me, you know, there's a reason why a brain surgeon makes more money than a GP. Sorry, I'm all sweaty, it's come out the gym. And that reason is because the brain surgeon is a specialist. They solve a very specific problem at a high level, okay, that is of high value. So if you've just been an overall generalist fat loss coach in the gym, that's fine. But online, you can actually carve out your own niche. And some of the best people I can think of right now, the Brett Contreras, the guy who's like the glutes doctor, all he talks about is glutes. Knees over toes guy. Marcus Philly, the functional bodybuilding guy, merging CrossFit and bodybuilding. Like, there's so many examples of when you really narrow down, there's actually still millions of people that are within that subset. So you have to find your superpower, and everyone has a superpower. I went across two different niches when I was coaching. It was former athletes, because I was a former athlete, retired athlete, and then more of like male specific fat loss, yeah? So you need to start to think about like, what is your niche? And your niche could be the person who you were 3 or 4 years ago and transforming the old version of you. It could be the clients that you get the best results for. It could be the people that you enjoy coaching the most. Those are like the 3 main sources that I like to encourage coaches to look at. Don't overcomplicate it, because really your niche is you. It is you. And once you get that nailed in, like, trust me, you will fly. You can stop making this generic content that everyone else makes, because when you do that, you start to blend in and you become like everybody else. Therefore, your program is no longer that special or that valuable. And bring that offer to the market, to the space, to your online space, to your audience. And I promise you, like, it's not complicated. You will do very well.